Project Silver Star is the second unit of the S-Force line by Admiral. It's a 55-meter long yacht with below 500 GT. It's got 8.6 meters beam and 2.3 meters draft for shallow water operations. It's fitted with twin screw propellers, and it's got one bow thruster, one stir thruster for improved maneuvering. The maximum speed is 18 knots. The cruising speed is 15 knots, and at economic speed, 10 knots, the range of the yacht is 3,300 miles. After contract signing, TWW supports the building process by having two types of interface with the management. There is a site team permanently on board, overseeing the direct production stages and interfacing with all the area managers on board. This will allow a close communications, a close relationship between our representative on site and the team from the shipyard. Each area manager responsible for a discipline, therefore, is monitored by one of our team, and issues can be anticipated or immediately found and rectified on the spot without having to return onto them, re-engineer or revert production processes to rectify the issues in a late stage. At the same time, at management level, we interface with the shipyard management, who are responsible for delivering the yacht. This is also a very important interface because many of the questions arising during production are escalated to management, and often they have to be resolved between TWW management and shipyard management. In this project, this didn't happen so often because the cooperation was very good. We never faced major issues, and the project is running smoothly as predicted.
Okay, one of the really important things about super yachts, of course, is that the fact that they are beautiful. Of course, everybody acknowledges that super yachts are a beautiful thing, an amazing machine. The other thing we all have to keep in our mind is that behind all that beauty is the backstage, behind the scenes, behind the linings. These are really important areas that can have a long-term effect on the way the yacht operates. Its downtime, hopefully minimised. Or certainly minimised. If we can get the right quality behind the scenes, then for the future of the yacht we can ensure all of those areas are well met, and the yacht owner has lower running costs and less downtime. This kind of yacht with its aluminium hull, you have to respect the aluminium. It's a high quality material, it's an advanced material, but it needs respect. Certain areas that you need to concentrate on are actually to do with the current leakage. So a really important thing again in relation to details is those cable runs. Cable runs on board yachts, they not only need to look beautiful when you take it down, because that's something we all appreciate, or some of us do, us technical bods at least. If there is too tight radiuses, if there is sharp edges on the cable trays, you can get a little leak in terms of current which runs into the structure. That again can encourage corrosion in the wrong places. So again, something which seems little but can have a positive or a negative impact on the future operation of that yacht. And our team is going to be looking out for those things, making sure that the shipyard achieves their goal actually also of delivering a high quality yacht, and working together we will do that.
During any new build process, there are at least 3 main testing phases. The factory acceptance test involves overseeing testing at the factory, where the main components, auxiliary components, are essentially fabricated and assembled and pre-tested before delivering to the shipyard. Once everything is fitted on board, connected, powered up, and or connected to the main power supply or to the piping systems, the machinery is running. This is the phase when the boat is usually launched and in water, and we can essentially do testing in harbor. Harbor acceptance test is the second stage of normal acceptance of the new build project. Once everything is completed and the owner team, production team from the shipyard have convened that the yacht can go out on trials, we plan a number of sea trials, which can be 3, 4 or 5 depending on the number of tests need to be carried out. At the moment with this project we are with the 4th trial planned, which is going to be the delivery sea trial, and until now all the trials performed pretty well. My name is Valerio Burchetti. I work for TWW Yacht Management. I am the client representative on board Project Silver Star, and I will be happy to serve any client in future for this or any other project.